Parang gusto ko lang ng kausap. Request open invite, ha? Ayun. Continue.
Cholo.
Mag-post ako more, kaya naman
Bakit
mag-follow
ka
ko.
nag-quit? Nag-quit ka talaga.
Kaya sabi niyo
Ba't ka
kasi
nag-leave?
quit. Sabi niyo quit.
Diba? Sabi sa'yo eh. Sabi sa'yo, akala niya quit talaga eh.
Congrats. May 70k na ba?
Sorry na, Cholo.
Bakit? Bakit? Ayaw niyo ng gifts?
No, kasi syempre like, you know, we don't
Their
want
form of
our...
appreciation, like they just wanna give gifts kasi they're just happy and they're givers, di ba?
pwede
Sige,
yun.
pahingin na lang ng gift ko.
Wala namang masama.
Ako, guys, direction lang Gcash. Joke.
Hindi, kasi ang gastos kasi ng gifts here sa sa TikTok shop. Tapos, hindi ko naman alam paano kunin.
Ano guys, sa solo live na lang. Okay na yan. Chill live lang naman to ngayon eh.
Don't say brands.
Wow! 70k ka na, Waki. Congrats!
Am I?
Congrats!
May 70k na ba?
Congrats! 68k.
Thank you. Malapit na yan. Thank you guys ha.
Waki deserves
Wow,
it.
Waki.
Thank you. Pag 70k na ako guys, I will, what should I do ba? Pag 70k na ako.
Yak ka. Pero video, as in, post mo sa TikTok.
Guys.
What's the name of your cat, Shai?
Sorry?
What's the name of your cat?
Oh, yay! 115! Thank you, guys.
Yung Persian ko, name niya, Coco. Tapos
Ayun,
yung...
pag 70k ka, bro, like, adopt Coco for a day.
Ano?
Adopt Coco.
Size cat for a day.
Play with Coco. Coco Crunch.
O sige, I'm down.
Ano name ng cat mo? Noah and Coco.
50 side out, 3.4 million.
No.
Ala, hindi po.
Ang sikat mo pala, Sai.
Uy, hindi po.
Dala, di ba siya kilala?
Uy, hindi.
Hindi,
Dala,
kilala
di
ko
ba
sa
ba siya
kanya
kilala?
ako eh. Fan
Uy,
ako
Dala,
matagal na
you're
ako
nothing
fan yan.
compared to him, bro.
2013
Nabuo
pa
yung
lang,
TikTok
nakafollow
dahil
na
sa
ako sa
kanya.
kanya.
Bella, know your place.
Uy, hindi. Sira.
Kausap mo.
Wala.
Dito ako, kinakausap ko lang ng normal, ano course mo? Ano po course nyo, o, di ba?
Uy, wala. Pero yung isang name ng cat ko, Kali.
Kali.
Kali, that's such a cute name. Why,
Close to
ano
Waki.
backstory ni Kali?
Hindi na pumunta si
Kali.
Christian dito.
Kali close to Waki.
Ano?
I mean yung name, Kali close to Waki.
Gulat ako.
So anyway, anong pong topic?
Sabi ng comment dito, Kali Bugan daw.
Gago.
Uy!
Uy, grabe kayo ha.
Sorry.
Ganyan ka pala, Sai. Kaya pala.
Ano?
Wala.
Parang like,
Alam mo, napanood ko lahat ng edits ng mga tao kanina sa'yo. Tapos yung nire-reactan mo yung mga sinasabi ko.
Gusto nila eh.
Anyway.
Pabebe mo.
Mag-never have I ever daw tayo.
Okay, sige. Never ako.
parang ang cute ng music, no? Theme song. Anong favorite song mo ngayon as of the moment, Waki?
As of the moment, ang dami.
Fave song.
Ba't naman ganyan ka, Chol?
Fave song ko ngayon kay Chapel Roan.
Siguro, kasi this is my favorite song because I always see it sa FYP ko. It's Daylight by Taylor Swift. But it's
Do you
just
like Taylor Swift?
I just see it kasi sa FYP ko palagi sa mga edits.
Pero malapit na. Anyway.
Sai, do you like Taylor Swift ba? Not feminine phenomenon, super mega graphic, super ultra graphic modern girl. There, that's the song that I like by Chapel Roan.
Ask the question again, Bella, to Sai.
Oh, Sai, do you like Taylor Swift?
Ariana Grande.
Malapit na.
Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough, bro. That's
Hindi
good enough.
kasi, di ba,
That's the right
Yes or
one.
no?
No, like, no. Malapit na meaning, yeah, why not? Why not?
Yeah, why
try to
not?
learn it
Maybe.
in the
Yeah.
future, di ba? So
Yeah,
that's a good answer. That's a good.
Going man
That's
naman
very
si Cholo
nice.
dito. Galing ah.
That's a
Yeah.
nice
Thank you,
answer.
Cholo, for saving
Hindi,
me.
kwento mo yan eh.
Pero yan, malapit na.
Yeah.
Pero bro, one step closer to heart. Taylor Swift.
Shipper pala siya, no?
Lapit na. Isa pa lang. Hindi yan distant.
Si Bella kasi guys, super Swiftie talaga siya. That's how we became friends.
Oo, actually.
Really?
Oh, yay, top 17. Thank you, guys.
Ikaw bro, ano favorite song mo? Ikaw, may favorite ka bang fan?
Sino ba?
Ikaw, Shai.
Oh.
Music. Music.
August.
Yung favorite song
August
ko
guys.
now, like, pinaka-favorite ko talaga, siguro
Yeah.
yung Dilaw.
Cholo, ingat ka
Ha?
daw.
Ano?
Magka-copyright ka daw because of your TV.
Okay, go.
Dilaw.
Dilaw.
Yeah.
Di ba kanina yun yung nasa ano mo, ringtone mo? Ay,
Is the Lao a song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a new song ba?
Yeah. No, wait. Di mo pa napapakinggan yun?
No pa.
Have you heard it? Oh my God. I think
No
you should.
pa.
You should.
I think I should as well.
Yeah.
It's good. It's a good song.
good song.
Okay.
Even the Daylight though, it's a good song for me.
Hindi na napapakinggan yung Daylight. Anong favorite mong food? Ano, Waki?
Baki.
Pork sinigang. Uy, cute yun. It's cute. Ganda.
Ikaw, Shai, anong favorite mong food?
Adobo.
Adobo sinigang. Nice. Very wide yung range, no? Maganda yung opposite taste. I love it. Kita mo yung diversity.
Mhm. Yeah.
Dilaw. Ito dilaw ba to?
Kaya pa po pang i-dart. Ito, yung pangatlo.
Ito yung team sa ni Shai. At boy.
Cholo, kalma muna, bro. Kalma.
Team song namin to.
Ah, Nyo. Team song Nyo.
Tado ka naman. Mamaya pa yung sa inyo.
Guys, my comments say, ano, guys, my comments keep saying to play Never Have I Ever now.
Okay, sige. Tara,
Started. Ikaw, Bella.
Me?
Wait, so the rules is, diba, we have 5 fingers, and then if someone will say something na never have I ever gano, and if ginawa namin, finger down. Tapos yung
Sino
loser,
magtatanong?
finger down fingers. Okay, go. Gets.
Sino
Who's gonna go
magtatanong?
first?
Ikaw muna, Bella.
What if yung comments na lang ay sige.
Yeah, like,
Pwede naman yung comments
what
na
if
lang.
yung comments na lang yung magtatanong? Para
Tapos,
di na tayo
we'll take turns choosing the comments. Ganun.
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody
Okay.
should comment.
Ikaw muna mag-pick, Bella, sa comments. Choose ka sa comments mo.
Wala namang tanong sa comments ko. Tangina mo, Ray.
Anong gagawin
Wala
natin?
sa comment na yan.
What are we gonna do, guys, with the hand?
Ito, I have one. I'll start. Never have I ever made a drunk call.
Okay, never have I ever.
Oh, made a drunk call?
Yeah, of course.
Ano? Never drunk call? I had a drunk call, bro.
Yeah.
Guys, pwede wag madumi.
Okay, go. Sa ikaw na.
Never have I ever ghosted someone.
Roasted?
Yeah.
I have.
Literal o hindi literal?
Literal.
Paano yung hindi literal na ghost?
Uy, be honest
Oh, I'm honest.
Yung literal? Paano yung hindi literal?
I'm honest.
I'm
You
honest.
never ghosted anyone, Sai?
No. I never ghosted.
Okay.
Ghosted yung next one? Next one? Sino nagsabi ng ghosted?
No, yun yung ngayon.
Ngayon sino nagsalita nun?
Si Sai.
Besides,
Sino nagsabi nung roasted someone?
Ha?
Roasted ba or ghosted?
fuck my life, Cholo.
Bro, like, is it roasted or ghosted?
Ghosted. Never have I ever
Yo,
ghosted
kala ko
someone.
roasted.
Lutang!
Ghosted. Yeah.
Ghosted,
Tama
oh.
lang din ang baba.
Ghosted.
Tottenberg moments. Guys, pasensya na kay Tottenberg. Tottenberg
Okay,
moments.
may tanong dito. Never have I ever fell in love with a friend.
I have.
I haven't.
True.
Parang wala. Wala. I'm thinking.
Ako ulit.
Biyaya pala.
Never have I ever caused a breakup. Actually, ayoko nito.
Ha?
Ito, never have I ever... Ah, shit.
Pakita mo kung sino ka dito, bro. Pakita mo kung sinong tao ka. Waki, anong tinatago mo?
Here.
I have. Pero wala akong alam dyan I have.
Actually, I have, but not because I made lande, but because the girl
Oh.
asked me
Ako
to
din.
test the guy.
Like, di ko kasalanan.
Yeah, di ko kasalanan.
Di ko kasalanan yun. Like,
Na you cause someone's breakup.
yeah, like you caused someone's breakup.
Yeah.
Like, ikaw yung topic. Pero ako, I did, but I'm not, like, wala akong ginawa. Yun.
Ay, isang kamay lang ba? Isang kamay lang?
Isang kamay lang daw.
Isang kamay lang
Isang
pala.
kamay lang?
So nice!
Isang kamay na lang.
Hindi ko po ito.
Go. Sa ikaw na.
Po at.
Okay na?
Naghanap ako eh.
Ubus agad, grabe.
Wait.
Anong ubos? Ano daw, never have I ever flirted with someone just for fun. As in, like, every time you flirted with someone, you like them.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Waki, be honest. I know you.
Oh, Bella, you want me to lose, no? Sinadya niya! Sinadya niya!
Yan ang totoo.
Sinadya
Yan
niya!
ikaw. Yan ang
Oh my God. Grabe. Parang, I like this game.
No, pero syempre, guys, like, you know, that's normal, di ba? It's not normal.
Matalo, anong
it's
gagawin?
normal.
Normal yun. Di ba?
Guys,
I don't
no
know,
one,
it's
no one
normal.
saves dito. Lahat nagkakamali. Diba?
Like, you're just
Oh.
bored.
Totoo.
Just bored and they're
Pero kasi
there.
palang
Hindi na nababa ako.
Tsaka as long as you tell someone your intentions naman, yun naman yung importante, di ba?
As long as may Pasko.
Wait, that looks
Laging
cute.
Merry Christmas.
I know!
Strawberry yan, di ba, Bella?
Ha?
Strawberry yan, di ba? Strawberries, yung nails mo.
That's what
Korean
watermelon.
watermelon.
And watermelon. Okay, pwede.
Anyway, sino na?
O, talo na ako. May isa pa akong hand. Go. Ikaw na, Sai.
Wala kasi, wait lang. Never have I ever nakitan sa TikTok live.
Wala na akong hand,
Oy,
so I
baba
can't
na,
answer.
baba
Wala na
na,
akong
baba
fingers,
na.
I can't answer.
Why can't you answer, bro? It's just basically yes
No,
or
ay, wala na akong fingers, talo na ako.
Bakit ba ganyan mga never have I ever dito sa comments ko? Ayoko nga tanungin yan.
How many fingers? Ano, finger check tayo. How many fingers do you guys have left?
Uy, hindi.
I have 2 fingers left.
2 fingers. So, lahat kayo... Oh, okay, go. Ikaw, Cholo, magtanong ka.
3.
Ako na. Never have I ever...
4 na.
Never have I ever...
Kaya po ba to din?
Tottenberg, wag naman muna, Tottenberg. Naglalaro tayo, oh.
Pass. Pass muna. Pass po.
Nag-pass!
Never have I ever...
Okay, go.
Never have I ever... Ano ba? Tong about love? It's about orientation.
Bro,
Kahit ano,
anything,
so,
bro.
kahit ano.
Anything.
Never have I ever... Never have I ever...
Ano ba?
had a crush on someone's parents, on my friend's parents. Had a crush on my
Never have I ever my friend's parents.
Ano ba?
never have I ever had a crush on my friends. Magulang.
Bro,
Bro,
what type of
crush.
question is
Bigla
that, bro?
nakakatawa. Ha? Ano?
Pero I've never. I've never. Never.
Ikaw.
Nakailang never have I ever ka din, Chua.
Did you have a crush sa kaibigan ng magulang mo?
Kaibigan ng
No.
magulang mo?
Oh?
Akala ko ba magulang ng kaibigan mo?
Oo nga, kaibigan ng magulang. Ay, hindi, magulang ng kaibigan mo. Yeah, had a crush on sa magulang ng kaibigan mo. Never. Ikaw, Bella.
Ikaw, Cho, have you? Ikaw, Cho, have you had a crush on your friend's parents?
Nung bata ako,
Really?
gusto mo ba? Yes?
I think it's just kind of weird.
Well, wag naman natin i-judge, guys. Okay lang yun.
Hindi
Wag
naman
naman natin
crush, but I
i-judge.
just find them creepy.
Wait lang. Mag-video lang ako.
At least hindi siya, di ba? Mas weird pag crush mo yung bata. That's creepy.
Oh, sige, may point siya. May point naman siya.
Pwede mo naman, di ba, mga aspirations,
Oh, sige, ikaw na, Sai. Magtanong ka.
Another. So, ano penalty?
Ano yung penalty? Dare daw yung talo. Talo na ako, guys.
So, ano
Nag-isip ako ng ano eh.
penalty?
O, talo na si Waki.
So, ano? Ano yung... yung comments dito, may point naman si Cho. Pointless.
Pointless.
O, ano? Tiramisu cake? Parang gusto
Ay, hindi. Ay, wala. Talo na ba? Talo ka na ba?
Ano yung sinabi?
Ano, wait lang. Isang hen lang ba to or dalawa?
Yung ganon,
Ako
yung
isang
dance.
hand lang. Gumawa ko.
Dance this.
Ay, tapos na? May
Sige, no, gawin na lang natin, guys. 2 hands o 4 na lang ako.
O ano, tas you don't
Okay, I
have...
have 7 pa.
I have 8 pa. Okay, sige. I have question.
Go.
Never
Okay,
have
go.
I ever fall in love easily.
No.
I don't think so.
I don't fall in love easily.
Yeah.
For you to say,
Ano?
I love you.
I love you too.
Must say, mahal kita.
Okay, next question. Bella, ikaw na ulit.
Never have I ever vomited on someone.
On someone? Oh
On
my
someone.
God, sir, you did that? Oh my God.
Sigh!
I've never done that. Never.
I've never vomited on someone.
Never ko ginawa yun.
O hindi, kasi ano yun, like, nagbabar kami defensive. Hindi, sobrang hindi ko talaga kinaya as in, so. And,
I think wala naman. Gamit lang, feeling ko, kotse pa lang, kotse.
Ako kotse, pero not someone
Hindi pa
else.
tao.
I've never vomited din sa kotse.
Sa tao, hindi pa. Pero, sa tao,
outside
hindi
the
pa.
question.
Paano mo?
Hindi, kasi yung question is, kung nakasuka ka na sa tao. So, not yet.
O hindi pa?
hindi pa, sa kotse lang.
Dapat hindi. May gusto
So,
mo
plan mo?
May plan siya.
Wala.
Hindi pa
Ikaw
kasi.
daw, Bella, he's gonna make suka on you.
Oh my God.
How many fingers do you have left, Cho?
I have 9.
I have 6. Ah,
9?
Yeah, 9.
But the whole time, you only did 1?
9 ka pa, Cho? No, feel ko sabog ka lang.
Feel ko, 9 ka lang, bro. Seryoso ba?
Kanina ka pa nagbababa ng finger, 9.
Hindi, kala ko na-reset tayo.
Oh.
Na-reset ba tayo?
No!
Hindi, ginawa na natin siyang 10.
Oo.
Okay.
2 ones na.
I think, Cho, 6, 7 ka na lang. 7 ka na lang. Wala na. Lag na. Guys, drop kayo ng never have I ever dito. Wala akong maisip eh.
Ako din, wala na akong maisip.
Ito, never have I ever faked their intentions to someone for the sake of now.
Akala ko po hindi na.
Uy!
Ayan, totem ba naman?
Okay, yeah.
3 na lang daw si Cholo, sabi dito sa comments ko.
Ano?
3 na lang daw si Cholo. Okay, I'll ask the next question after.
Ikaw na lang.
I'll ask now.
Di ba may question ka kanina?
Me?
Yeah, I saw it.
Question, bro.
Go, Bella, your turn. I have 4 left.
Okay, naka-7 ako. Ano next question? On the way
I
si
have 6
Christian.
left. The question here is never have I ever kissed someone random at a bar.
Random.
I have 5 left.
Random at a bar?
Yeah,
never
random.
talking about it.
As in, siguro, like random, I think it means na you just met them there mismo.
Ay,
Ako
7 na ba ako?
Totoo ba yan, Sai?
Yeah.
Never, Sai?
Never.
Wow.
Ako never din. Di ba, Bella? Bait ko sa bar.
Never.
Naglalag ka ba? Yeah. I'll go.
Never have I ever cutting classes.
Ay,
Dinama yung sarili.
I did nung college.
I did.
Tatlo na lang. Ano ba? Never, okay, ito. Never have I ever cheated.
in a relationship or in school?
Both. Na joke. Actually, wag na yung never have ever have I cheated. Bakit yun?
Ano ba yan?
Walang cheaters dito, guys. Di kami cheaters.
Never have I ever cheated na. Fix na ba ako?
Never have I ever faked my feelings for somebody.
Never.
Have I ever?
Never, Cholo.
Never. I have never.
Sai, never. Okay,
I think
sige.
I have. I think merong times siguro you're faking being happy, pero it doesn't mean na you don't love them.
Probably.
Oh, like if you're in a relationship, no, minsan like, that happens naman.
Yeah. Yeah, minsan that happens.
Never have ito. Never have I ever naging kabit.
Oh, that's
Naging kabit? Oh.
No.
Bella, wala ka ng fingers.
I have 3 clean.
So,
Wala. I have never.
guys, wag naman yung questions na super sexual, guys. Wholesome
Yeah,
lang.
puro sexual din meron dito kanina eh. Okay, here. Never have I ever betrayed a friend.
Ay, never talaga.
Yeah, I
Never.
think so.
Never. Like, kahit talk shit sa totoong friend ko, never talaga.
Same.
Never.
Di ako ganyan. Ito, maganda to. Never have I ever got into a physical fight.
Never.
Like, physical fight?
Oo. You have? I've never.
nakahula ko na nahimik lang ako, guys.
4 ka na lang, Sai. 4 na lang.
Guys, my mood is so nice. I'm so happy.
Ikaw, Bella, 3. Me and Bella,
Three.
si Sai 4, Cholo 5. O sige. Ito, never have I ever na blackout sa inuman. Ako, never talaga. Blackout, na pass out, never.
Okay, Waki. Okay.
Di ba? I made gante.
I make a day.
Pasok, tol. Nag-live ako, pre.
Next. Malapit na. Talo na si Bella.
Asad ka? Kanina ka pa ba doon?
Never have I ever stolen money from my parents. Oy, hi Christian.
Ay, Maki. Sabi mo kasi didiretso ka dito. Oo nga, nakalimutan ko.
Wala, di na ginawa.
Ito, ano ba? Sorry, ano?
Never have I ever stolen money from my parents. No. Ako din. Siguro mga 10 pesos lang.
Oh shit, okay lang naman yun.
Ito, never have I ever been rejected.
Never have I ever been rejected.
Yeah.
Ako
Like
nga,
how
ganun.
rejected?
Like,
I'll just say yes.
Oo nga.
Have you been rejected, Bella? Bye. Can you think?
Ha?
Parang no.
Never have I ever been to Mexico.
Ina? Tina-target mo ba ako?
Ayoko matalo.
Oh, sige. Ito tanungin ko. Never have I ever had my nails done in QC wearing a brown jacket and naka-live sa TikTok.
No, wala. Bawal. No.
O, di ba? Unfair! Tina-target mo ako, ha?
Hindi, general question yung akin. Malay mo, nag-Mexico din si Sai tsaka si Cholo before.
Oh, never.
Huwag kang ganyan.
Bukas.
Oh, sige, go. Sa your turn. Tanong ka.
Guys!
Eh.
Ganda.
Wait, I'm gonna take a video. BRB.
Never have I ever dated a celebrity.
Oo nga.
I have.
Di ba?
Weh?
Yeah.
So ilan ka na lang?
Isa na lang. Kami ni Bella.
Oo. Ano pa ba kaya?
Really?
Tanungin mo si Bella if
Ha?
Wait.
Pero di ice.
yung connecting siya eh.
Basta dalawa pa lang ako. Dalawa lang ako.
Yung ano, pinagalito niya ako sa sobrang rito.
Or I don't think Bella's dated a celebrity pa, so feel ko in the game pa siya.
Never have I ever kumis sa bar. Ay!
Tapos na yan!
Ay, tapos na ba yan?
Tapos na yan.
I've never dated a celebrity.
But Waki did.
Oh, you did, Waki?
Celebrity ba?
Tama
Kailan mo
na.
yan? Wag na. Oh, last na. One na lang kami ni Bella. dapat the next question, dapat Sai should put a finger down para one na lang. For yung last question, yun yung...
Paano kung hindi? Paano kung hindi?
Guys, ask a question. Come on.
Yan niya.
Ask a question.
Doon sa dulo, yung cabinet.
I'm so happy about my nail.
Last na.
Uy, I wanna meet Christian. Hi, Christian.
Yes, yan, nandyan. Yan lang. Hello.
Nandi mo, Bella?
Hi, I'm Bella.
Hello. Nice meeting you po.
Nice meeting you din po.
Yun lang.
Ano na?
Si Sai, kilala mo din yung 12 season. Ano natin yan? Ha?
Never
Ganun ako
have I
nag-message.
never have I ever nagpo-color analysis.
Wait, what?
Never.
No, may nag-comment dito, bro. Yun yung rule. Sorry. Yun yung
Bro,
rule.
hindi talaga yon. Hindi
Yun
talaga
yung
yun.
rules. Malay ko, bakit nagpo-color analysis din si Cholo, si Bella. Di ba?
You guys are so crazy.
Oh, one ka na, Sai. One ka na. One ka na lang.
Kanasay. Nice.
Oh. Cholo, tanungin mo.
Ay, nako.
Tanungin mo kami.
Hotdog. Bali mo talaga.
One na lang, oh.
Never have I ever magagusto sa friend.
Natanong na kanina.
Ano na kanina eh.
Isa pa, Christian. Mag-isip ka. One na lang kami ni Bella at saka ni Sai, eh.
Never have I ever allergic in watermelon.
Hindi talaga pwede yun. Hindi talaga pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun.
Sinabi dito sa comment eh.
Ay, di pwede. Sobrang specific yun, ah.
Okay na
Never
to,
have I ever
chill lang
had
naman ako,
gout.
chill. Tara na. Ay, ano ka muna? Ano ka muna dyan?
Ito. Never have I ever had gout.
Sino nag-isip yan yung comments? Dapat galing...
Yeah. Sabi sa...
Walang nagsabi, girl. Huwag kang ganyan. Huwag kang ganyan.
Joaquin, nasa baba ka lang, Joaquin.
Ano?
Nasa baba ka lang.
Oo. Galing ko dyan kanina eh. Ano guys, dapat galing sa comments. Cholo, one na lang kami. Like, tatlo kami, one na lang. So magtanong ka.
Never, ano lang? Never have I ever
Ayan, lutang na naman.
had multiple relationships.
I have never.
Ito lang.
multiple relationships.
At the
Yes.
same time?
Like at the same time, no?
Wait, what? Legit?
With food daw.
At the same time? I have
With food
never.
daw.
Never.
Never.
Sabi niya with food.
Food.
Actually,
Paano
wala
yun?
siya maisip. Never have I ever had...
Never have I ever had multiple relationships with food? Ano daw? Ano daw?
Paano
Ano ba?
Well, yung parang gusto mo ng Japanese food, tapos gusto mo din ng Italian.
Oo.
Dapat loyal ka lang sa
Dapat
isa.
loyal ka lang sa isa. Ano ba yun sa'yo? Sinigang? Sinigang daw, sinigang.
Christian, magtanong ka kasi one left na lang kami ni Bella and Isay.
One left na lang ba kayo?
Oo.
Yeah,
O sige,
one left.
babawi ako. Never have I ever ma-edge. Ay,
Like, may
ma-edge Sheeran.
Ed Kaluwag. Kilala mo si Ed.
Sorry, nagsama yung dalawang lutang.
Weird yung dulo.
Ano na?
Feel ko
Go.
pala.
One na lang, one na lang.
Still one.
Still one, wala pa rin.
Wala pa din.
What's tiramisu cake?
Ay, baka
The dance that they want me to do and ayoko.
ako pag nag-gusto na pa ako. Bye-bye. Guys, I'm gonna have to end in a while.
Okay,
Okay, may pumunta ka. May pumunta.
go lang.
That's
Bye-bye.
okay.
Nice meeting you, Joaquin. Nice meeting you, Sai. Nice
Bye,
meeting you.
Christian. See you soon,
Nice
bro.
meeting you.
Nice meeting you, Christian.
Nice meeting you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Actually ako din eh, pero like maya-maya pa naman.